Hey there, fellow riders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for getting the most out of your rides. Today, we're diving into how to use your Uber credit in 2025. If you've got some Uber credit burning a hole in your digital wallet, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First off, what's Uber credit? It's basically free money added to your account from promotions, refunds, or rewards programs. In 2025, Uber has made it even easier to use with some cool updates, like seamless integration with Uber Eats and new partner services. Super handy, right? To get started, make sure you have the latest Uber app installed on your phone. Open it up and head to your profile icon in the top corner. Tap on Wallet or Payment. That's where all the magic happens. You'll see your available credits listed there. If you don't spot it immediately, check under Promotions or Rewards for any 2025 specific features. Now, for the fun part, applying your credit. When you're ready to book a ride or order food, select your destination as usual. Before confirming, hit the Payment option. You'll see a drop-down menu. Choose your Uber credit from the list. It might say something like, Apply credit, or Use promo. Double-check the amount to ensure it's covering what you need. Pro tip. In 2025, you can now split credits between multiple transactions, so don't worry if you have a big balance. One thing to watch out for: credits might have expiration dates, especially those from limited time offers. Always verify that before use. Also, remember that credits can't always be used for everything, like surge pricing or certain add-ons, so plan accordingly. There you have it. Using your Uber credit in 2025 is straightforward and can save you a ton on your next trip. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next one.